You want to save 10,000 rupees? Yes, then this is the video for you guys. Now, CAT examination dates are on. We know when the registrations are going to get started. We know when the examination is going to take place. But that is not what the challenge is. Challenge is that after attempting CAT examination, of course you're already eligible and your scores are going to be sent automatically to the IIMs. But there are colleges, they accept CAT scores, you want to be in them, but then for that you have to apply into those colleges. You have to fill in the application form. Now guys, you will be spending around 10,000 rupees on college application fee. And if you want to save these 10,000 rupees by being sensible and by being smart, then I strongly recommend and request you guys to listen this video or watch this video, of course with listening, carefully till the end. Now, the problem is there are few great colleges, they want you to apply in them before you even know what your scores are going to be, and nobody can predict how much they are going to score. So there is a way and there is a trick to do that. Let me explain you that. Now guys, the tricky part is there are three types of colleges, or I'll say you can divide the college applications in three types. The first is before CAT exam. That means before the CAT exam, yes, you got me right. Before the CAT exam, you have to apply into these colleges. And these two colleges are MBI, Gurgaon and FMS. Guys, I am taking examples of great colleges. Colleges where you see yourself after the CAT examination result. Then the second category is after the CAT exam but before the results, as I've clearly mentioned there. SP Jain and Delhi University colleges. Now guys, we all know under Delhi University the fees is pretty low. So ROI, return on investment, is great. And of course SP Jain is in Mumbai. We all know about this college. Now for these colleges guys, you apply after the CAT examination but before you get the results. And the third one is after the results of CAT exam. Now once of course the examination is done, you get the results, then IITs, IMT Ghaziabad, IMI Delhi, for these colleges you can apply after the results. Now how are you going to save the money? You will only apply to those colleges before after the examination's result, depending upon your mock scores. Yes, you got me right. Now you must be asking what is the cutoff. I will be telling you the cutoff, but then if in your mocks you're not getting that much score, you are not going to attempt or you're not going to fill the form. I know there are many students they are not attempted any mock, or maybe they have just got 70 percentile. Still they fill the form of FMS before the CAT exam. Still they apply for SP Jain. Now guys, I appreciate your positivity. I appreciate your enthusiasm, but you need to be realistic also, because on an average 3,000 rupees for every college application fee you're going to invest, and it's going to be of no use because you won't be making the cut. Now you will be thinking and telling me or assuming that you want to tell me that maybe you're going to score good. Come on guys, I'll tell you the cutoff. So now guys, I'm going to share the cutoff percentile of these colleges, and also will tell you how you will decide whether you are going to apply to that college or not. It's very simple. So first understand the cutoff percentile. Now guys, for MBI Gurgaon, as you can see, the cutoff percentile is 95 percentile. For FMS, 98 percentile. For SP Jain, it is 85 percentile in CAT examination I'm talking about. Delhi University, 98 percentile. For IITs, you must score more than 97 percentile in CAT examination to get a realistic chance to get a call from these colleges for further rounds. IMT Ghaziabad got 90 percentile cutoff and IMI Delhi got 90 percentile. Now, of course, you're going to tell me, sir, in the first one, I have to fill in the form before even attempting the CAT exam. And here in the second category, before I get the result, I have to apply, because that's what their dates are. Now, why colleges do that? Because if you know your scores, then you won't be applying to those colleges and it's a loss of revenue to them. So how you will be gauging, or how you can assume accurately with precision that yes, this is what you're going to score? Simple, attempt box. So now guys, you already know the cutoff percentile of these colleges. How you will be deciding whether you are going to get that much score or not? Now guys, for third category, of course for IITs, IMT Ghaziabad and IMI Delhi, you do not need to worry about, because you're going to get the scores, and based on that score you will be deciding, are you going to appear and apply or fill the application form of IIT, IMT or IMI. But then for these two categories, these two colleges you apply before you get the score. This one you apply before you get the score but after the exam, and these two colleges you apply even before the exam. How are you going to do it? You're going to attempt mocks. Now after attempting mocks, let's say if you are getting around 80 percentile in the mocks, if you're getting definitely 80 percentile in your mocks, you make sure that you apply for SP Jain. Or maybe you can, after the examination, you see and you ask yourself, are you going to get more than 80 percentile? You apply for SP Jain. But if you are getting more than 90 percentile in the mocks, you're going to fill the form of MDI Gurgaon also. Because of course then this college comes in the range as well. Why? Because I think people say plus 10, minus 10, but I say plus 7 percentile or minus 7 percentile you can consider what you're going to get in the examination from the score you're getting in the mock. So that is where usually the stats, that's what usually the stat says. So if you are getting more than 80 percentile, make sure that you apply for SP Jain. Of course, after the examination, it's going to be easy for you to stick to that decision because you know how your examination was. But before the examination, if in your mocks you're getting more than 90 percentile, definitely you would attempt and you fill the form of MDI Gurgaon. And if you're getting more than 95 percentile, I strongly recommend you to fill the form of FMS and also of Delhi University colleges. So guys, in these three categories I have divided the colleges, and now you know how you are going to be sure about filling the application form of these colleges. I know there are many students, by being positive, by being enthusiastic, they fill the forms but they do not attempt the mocks, or even if they have attempted the mocks, they didn't get more than 70 percentile. It's of no use, you're going to waste your money. So make sure that you attempt the mock, and after attempting mocks you decide whether these colleges are making sense to you or not. Once again, MDI Gurgaon FMS, you fill the form before the CAT exam. Now guys, I want you guys to subscribe to my channel because I'm going to share the dates and notifications with you as and when they are out. Now you already know when the CAT examination is going to take place. The dates are out. Whenever the registration starts, make sure that you register yourself for the CAT exam. Do not delay it if you are planning to attempt it this year. I hope this video is going to help you to understand and make sure that you fill the forms of these colleges if you're getting these many scores, because if you do not fill the form and though you have scored good, it's of no use. And this will also help you to save money. So thank you guys.